It has really been a beautiful day.
Yes, it has. But I think I'm ready to go inside.
You know, we haven't even gone in the water yet.
Well, some of the water looks kind of yellowish.
It's probably just the sun. There's been no kids around, so pretty sure there's no accidents in the water. How is it?
I have a bad feeling about this. The temperature feels fine, but the bottom feels strange.
Okay, now you're just being paranoid. The water feels fine.
Oh my god, my foot just stepped in something slimy.
It's your imagination.
I'm sorry, but I'm going inside.
Oh my god, Emily, are you okay?
I don't know, my foot stepped in some sort of slime.
Oh my gosh, if you could have fallen any differently, you could have cracked open your head on the side of the pool.
I didn't taste that much chlorine.
Really? Let me see. Oh, it turns out algae is not always green or black. It can also be a shade of yellow.
What does it take to clean it out?
It says here, Pool Deals sells Blue Wave Algaecide just for this sort of thing. Blue Wave Algaecide kills the algae and turns it into a mass that can be removed with simple cleaning tools. When your pool has algae, head over to Pool Deals for your algaecide and your other cleaning supplies for your pool.
With Blue Wave Algaecide from Pool Deals, you can keep your pool clean and safe at a low price. You can order yours now by clicking on our link.